Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to animate human being. At the end of this video, you should be able to make a human being walk like this and arrive at his destination before the end of the clip. Okay, without wasting your time, let's get started. And in this example, I will show a human being walking from this car towards the entrance so that it will look as if it is that man that parked this car and then is walking into the building. So the first step we will take is to place a human being there. And this human being you are seeing, this one is a 2D human being, so we cannot use this one. We will need a 3D human being. So let's click on people and animals so that we can import human being. And here we are going to select place so that we'll be able to place a human. And having done that, all this will come. Now every human being you see here are 3D human. You can see if I bring my cursor here now, you can see some of them, you see the human being walking, you see the person walking. Let me, okay, this is African man walk. This person is walking. Okay, then let's look at this first one. This one is African man idle. I want the one that is walking. Then let's go to number 2, man Africa walk. Okay, let me select this one. Let me select that one and place it. If I like, I can make it favorite so that I can always use it another day. Okay, so I'm going to place it. I'm going to place the human here. All right, so I've placed it. Then I am going to rotate it so that he will be facing the direction I want him to go. All right. Okay, so I'm going to select rotate. I'm going to select rotate and pick that human being and let him face the direction he is going. All right. Okay, that is the direction he's going. So, and if you look at his path, the path to the step is not straight. The path to the step is not straight because if I want him to go like this straight, it's going to collide with part of the car. So I'm going to make him go like this, then before turning. All right. So now that we have placed our human being, let's go to the movie mode now and see what we can do. Let's go to the movie mode and see what we can do there. Oh, I have 2 human beings now. I don't want this one. Let me go to build mode and delete it. I only need 1. Let me go to build mode and delete that particular one that was placed randomly. Okay. Okay, let me select delete and pick that one. Okay, so I've deleted that one, and I can go back to my movie mode now. Let me go back to my movie mode, and here it is. So I'm going to turn this. Okay, it's not turnable. So to work on that human being now, I will select FX. Let me select this. Sorry, let me go back and select. I want to use this clip tool. I want to use this clip tool, clip number 2, and use FX. Sorry, I don't need to. I'm going to use this same advanced move. So I'm going to select this advanced move now and edit it. Okay. So if we play it now, you see how the car is moving, and the human being will be moving along with the car. Everything is going to be working together. Let's play it and see. Okay, let me pause it now. So you can see where the car stop at. Okay, let me allow the car to park, or I can set the human to be moving. Let me allow the human being to move now. So if I move him small, it means I would have set a keyframe there. Before I move it, let me move to the beginning, so that when the car is here, this human being has started his movement. Just a little. Alright, just a little. And you can see a keyframe has been established. So I'm going to rotate it, and so that I can see from the top, and move it up a little bit. Use shift to make it faster. Alright. Okay. So what I will do now is I have established the first keyframe for that human, and I am going to, for 2 seconds, at this point, this is 1.1. If it should move for like 3 seconds, or let's say 4 seconds, additional 4 seconds. Okay, this is about 4 seconds. Within 4 seconds, this person would have moved from here to here. Would have moved from here to here. I don't want him to collide with the car. Okay, so he would have moved from there to there. Then within some other few seconds, at this point, the total second is 3.9. So if we should add 2, it should be something like 5 now. It should be something like 5. Okay, 5.9. That's about 6. I don't want it to be 6 exactly. 5.9. Okay. So I am going to rotate that person to make him face the building. So I'm going to select rotate first so that he would have turned and face the building. I'm going to make him face building. Oh, something is not right. I'm going to delete this keyframe first. I'm going to delete this keyframe and bring it closer so that within 2 seconds the man would have made a turn and at the same time would have moved, so that the man will not be turning from this place to here. Okay, so let me turn him now and at the same time move. Let's move first before turning. Okay, then let's rotate him now so that he will be facing the building. So within that few seconds he would have turned and complete his rotation. All right. Okay, now let's complete the movement now so that he's going to move faster now. And we're going to use move now. We're going to use move. Within that time, he would have moved to this point. All right. Okay, let's see. Let's save it and see. Let's play what we have. Let's play what we have. Okay, you can see the person is moving, is accelerating. Okay. And he has made an L turn and is going towards the building. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the movement is okay. The movie actually stopped at when he reached the entrance,